Here we are Friday morning. It's approximately 8:30 in the morning. We've got a half hour before the show starts, and we're approaching the AMSAT booth. When I'm done doing duty as a Inside Exhibits volunteer, we'll be coming here to help with the AMSAT booth. This is the engineering area of the booth. As you can see, we'll pan down the booth. We have our booth encompasses this entire module. It's approximately, looks like it's about 6 booths long, so it's a pretty big booth. This is the engineering area. This is the new AMSAT, which is our current project that's actually happening. This started out as SuitSat a couple years ago, and the suit that this equipment was to be integrated into was deployed from the ISS a year ago or so because they needed the room. So the Russians, although they deployed the SuitSat, said that they would take into orbit and deploy a package for us, whether it was going into a suit or not. So that's when the SuitSat 2 became AMSAT, and what we're viewing right now is an engineering model of the package that's going to go into orbit, sent up to the ISS on Progress, hopefully sometime at the end of the year. And again, this is the engineering model, and about the only recognizable part from SuitSat is the control panel. This is the control panel that would have originally been the SuitSat. So, and then the other thing that's exciting is CubeSats. CubeSats are very small satellites, and as you can see, that's a pretty small satellite. There's my hand, and there's the SuitSat, and that's it. This is probably another engineering model of a SuitSat that's being built, or not SuitSat, CubeSat. As you can see, the reason why they're called CubeSats is because it's the size of a cube. And these suckers are being built by universities, and if a university builds a satellite and they want to launch it, chances are they're going to find a ride because it's for educational purposes. Here's some of the prototypes that they're working on, engineering models of the prototypes they're working on. And these satellites are going to be running FM modulation, and they're also supposed to be running linear transponders too on some of the models, so it's going to be pretty exciting. We'll have plenty of opportunities to play with satellites in the future. So as we move on down the booth, this part of the booth is what I'm primarily involved in, is the tracking. Here's the display for the McDoppler tracking program, and right next to it is a display for SAT-PC32. And then we have the infamous rotator, and the part of the project that we're involved in is the LBB tracker. And further down the line, we have other products, clothing, and books. So that's basically the AMSAT booth, where we'll be spending our afternoons helping folks join up and answer questions and buy stuff.